Hey, what's up my good people? Jeff CarBuoy here, and on today's video I'm going to show you all the fuse box location on the Honda CR-V, and this particular model is a 2008. So this vehicle comes with a couple of fuse box locations, and we're going to start with the one here on the engine compartment. So we pop up the hood and we see here a 2.4 liter engine. And on the driver's side, you see the battery, and next to the battery, you find the first fuse box. Once you see it, you pop these two tabs right here. Come on. There we go. That is the first fuse box location, and it got some fuses and the relays, as you can see, my people. And also next to it here, there is another cover here. That is another relay right there. Okay, and the back of the cover, it says what? Honda PPT20. Whoever knows what that means, let us know on the comment section. I will really appreciate. We actually learn a lot on the comment section, so make sure guys you drop your knowledge there. Okay, and then for this fuse box location on the back of the cover, there are some fuse spares. There is a 30 amp fuse, there is a 20, 15, and a 7.5, and this one here is a 2 retriever. Now if you want to test whether this fuse is bad, right, how to test whether a fuse is working or not working, make sure you check this video right here on the screen. I did a full video on how to test a fuse, whether it's working or not. Make sure you also hit that subscribe button, and let's move on. Now, how to find a particular fuse. Right now, I want to check for the headlights fuse. Headlights, a low beam and a high beam. Let's see whether we can find them right here. Because on the diagram right here, you see there is arrow. Where's this arrow? This arrow is showing this way. So you're gonna orient this arrow facing in the front of the vehicle like that, and this is the orientation on how these fuses are laid out. So let's say, for example, this 20 amp right fuse right here on this corner, you can see. So let's find it here. It's going to be somewhere in here, and there we go. As you can see, it's right there, and it says passenger seat REC. Okay, and that's how you find a particular fuse. I checked through this diagram, I couldn't find the headlights. We're gonna check it on the next fuse box. Okay, that's how you put the cover back in there. So far, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let's go to the next fuse box. We're gonna close the hood. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. The next fuse box is going to be inside the cab. So we open the door, and before I show you where it is, some people always asking, why is your voice so nice? Some people say they like my voice because I use this microphone. It's called Holy Land, and it comes, once you open up here, it comes with this nice case here. You open that, and inside this small case, you find your gadget's gonna be here. And this is how it is sound when I'm using a microphone. Let me take off microphone and hear the voice again. Now this is my voice without the microphone. What I did, I just removed my microphone that was hanging on my jacket. And there is this gadget that has a type C, goes where you charging your phone, because I'm recording with my phone. When I plug it in, and that's how you get that nice voice. I'm gonna plug it back so my voice can be better than this. And I did plug it back. You can tell the difference, right? So this is also the charger for it, type C. You can charge it in your car when you're driving, and when it's full, it's gonna show right there it's full. Check the link on the description. Now let's check the next fuse box location, which is going to be below the power steering wheel, right here underneath. And most of the people, you might mistake this. Let me show you. When you come down here and see this cover right here, you see this cover has a fuse diagram. You might think that the fuse is behind this cover. Let's remove this cover and show you something. So to remove this cover, you need see there is a tab. Where is it? Tab is right here. You twist it and it's gonna come loose like that, but again it's still hinged right there. Can you see? So it's hinged like here, so you just slide it out like that. Okay, so behind it there is nothing, no fuse box right there. So where is the fuse box? The fuse box is going to be actually all the way on the left, right above the foot brake. See this foot brake right above there, and that is the next fuse box location right there. All right, and then this cover we just removed is going to show the diagram and the layout of the fuses. Let's turn off the light. Yeah, we're gonna see it better this way. Okay, and now we were looking for the headlights. I just found them here. See, this is a headlight, right side high beam, and this one, and the next one next to it is a headlight left high beam, and then when you come here is a low beam left and right. And how to locate those fuses? Let's say for example this is a high beam. On the right side is going to be fuse number 12, 10 amp, and it says what is it for. So let's locate it. It's going to be on the 2nd low, and it's a 10 millimeter. It's a 10 amp fuse. So as you can see, the 2nd low right there, 10 amp and a 10 amp, both of them. These two, those are the headlight high beam and the low beam. See those two? Yep, those two. And that's how you locate the fuses using the fuse diagram layout. Now to put our cover back together, you just need this one. This notch here is going to slide in here. It's going to slide in here, and then we're going to lock that knob I showed you earlier. So slide it there. That is in place, just like that. And those are the two fuse box information, the two fuse box location on the Honda CR-V. And the few tips that you learn here together. If that video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. Stay tuned. Also share your experience or any knowledge you have on the fuse information or here on the comment section. Stay tuned, subscribe. See you guys on the next one.